Regarding the police, I just want to say something. My colleague Michael Lobon सांगलोले tourist harass करपाचे न्ही. I also agree. I last year पासून काढलोले परत थांबयताय तांकां आनी harass करतात. But हांव personally सांगूंक सोदतां. थोडे पाटी आमी रस्त्यार आमी गाडी घेवन वयतात तेन्ना when you see somebody going very fast, first question I asked, is it a Goan? The way he drives, because आमचे गोंयकार अशें करून rough and अशें करून cut मसना. The way they go driving, suddenly they realize we can't go over the Atal Setu bridge. Go down परत येतात. Is this the way? You just turn anywhere and you come back. You have no respect for the law. You have no respect when you drive. You drive it doing all stunts in your car or your bike. And so many times amge film videos have been coming. Just this morning I have got some woman topless driving in Para on that very famous place where photo katat tinga sogle tamtat and kattat photo. Is this the type of tourist we want? I tell Michael Lobo with great respect, because you are the MLA for tourist belt, don't allow this kind of tourists. I have said this statement, we don't want this riff-raff tourists. If we have good quality tourists coming, we will get good quality tourism. If we bring third-class tourists, the good tourists will go away and we will have all these kind of bad elements coming here. Right now you want to bring casinos, you spoke about casinos, you increased the number of casinos. You brought massage parlors, and now you want to say the cross massage to be allowed. What kind of a culture are we going to? Are you trying to make Goa another Bangkok? I think we need to stop this and we need to concentrate on what we have, and then I think we can have something good. The type of attitude, this is the phrase which it is. Third party a tourist deontat. Mercedes gadi again, BMW again, all motor again. Just 2 minutes more. All motor again. They are wearing banyan. But it's a designer banyan. Chaddi galon ani zote galon, all designer. Ani bayar येतात सांगतात जनता कोण हूँ एशको इंसातात ते तू जाणा हांव कोण तो मागीर कोणा एक पुलिसाक फोन कोतले कोण IAS ऑफिसराक फोन कोतले or some officer will be phoned आनी तेका फोन दितले मागीर आमगे पुलीस भितात थिंगा. This is not the way and this is not the type of people we want over here. I think we need to send them home and tell them we don't want this. You are not welcome here.